The short inside spokes are inserted first. If you align one of the holes in the hub to the valve hole, then count 1, 2 to the right. That is the first inside spoke which will go into the hole immediately to the right of the valve hole, like that. I've chosen this position instead of this one because this hole has an indentation here showing that the previous spoke was an outside spoke, and it was sitting like that, and there's an indentation in the alloy, so I might as well keep it that way, and hence I will use this as the first inside spoke, which will go into that hole, the first hole to the right of the valve. I've raised the rim on about inch thick blocks of wood in order to raise it up with respect to the hub, otherwise the spokes would be too short. Now we simply insert all of the inside spokes in the alternate holes like that, and attach the nipples possibly about 3 turns, not fully because we need a certain amount of movement to get all the spokes in.